It is the 20th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about mosquito tracking in Connecticut. 3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, un acheteur mystère paie 50,1 millions de dollars pour Gus. A mystery buyer paye 50,1 millions de dollars for Gus. Trump parle du vote à la télévision. Trump speaks about voting on television. Un foyer est critiqué après des contrôles. A care home is criticized after inspection. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. O means in the here. Connecticut is Connecticut. Une équipe means a team. Suite means tracks or follows. Plus de moustiques means more mosquitoes. So the headline says, in Connecticut, a team tracks more mosquitoes. Today's pattern is AU. It is a common contraction. A plus le becomes AU. So French often packs 2 little words into one. Au Connecticut, une équipe suit plus de moustiques. In Connecticut, a team tracks more mosquito. Suite comes from suivre, to track or follow, and it is the key verb in today's story. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. L'équipe cherche des espèces dans l'État. The team looks for different species in the state. Espèce means species, a useful science word in today's report. More examples in the lesson sheet. Le programme trouve 54 espèces là-bas. The program finds 54 species there. Trouver comes from trouver, to find, and the sentence gives the number. 54 espèces. Une espèce est le moustique tigre asiatique aussi. One species is the Asian tiger mosquito too. Aussi means also or too, and it helps you add one more fact. Les tests aident les experts avant des cas humains. Tests help experts act before human cases. Today's word is experts. Say it with me. Experts. In French, the final S is usually silent here. Now for the pattern of the day. Suivre, to track, je suis. Tu suis. Il suit. Nous suivons. Vous suivez. Ils suivent. The story uses the il form suite. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What does the team track in Connecticut? Is it A, des moustiques, des zones à risque, or C, des cas humains? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.